Hey everyone, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to make stickers on Canva. First you have to choose the size of your project. Make sure you use a size that is easy for printing. I used an A4 size project. Before you start your stickers, make sure you know what you want the stickers to be about. You should choose a theme. I chose the theme of frogs. You can go to Elements and then Graphics and type in whatever you want the stickers to be about, and then just choose a couple of designs that you like. Before you print the stickers, you have to change these around a little bit. You are not going to be allowed to sell these without any add-ons. You have to get creative and make sure that these stickers are actually unique. I'm going to show you a couple ways to do this. Now for this first little frog, I wanted to add a sunset behind, because it kind of looked like it was jumping out of the water. So you really have to get creative with whatever it is that you're doing specifically. So you can use elements to create new designs and then just put them together and make them look good. I'm going to add an outline that you can find in effects on the frog to make it more visible, to make it pop. I'm also going to add letters on every one of these stickers to make them more unique. I wanted to use words that can be punchlines or play on words when it comes to frogs. So since I couldn't really come up with anything by myself, and to utilize my time best, I used AI. I used ChatGPT. As you can see here, I asked it to give me ideas, and then I made it more fitting to what I wanted to do. It gave me these 3 words that you can see. So I'm going to use these to incorporate in my project. You can go to the left of the screen and find text, and here you'll be able to find some fonts that you can fit into your project. I chose 3 that I thought would look good with what I was planning to do and aligned them with each sticker. And then I just changed the words to what I wanted to use. If you use this specific font I'm using here, make sure you type in the letters one by one, because if you try to type them in all at the same time, they will change to the same color, which will probably be black since that's the first color. So this does take a little while. It's a bit tedious, but it will be worth it in the end. And I also added an outline on the text as well to make it pop more. I used white again. And then I thought the sticker was ready, so I highlighted every element and grouped them together. Now the next one, I wanted to use the word Toadalicious. And for this font to work, I had to ungroup it and then realign it again. Then I wanted to make the frog sit on the letters, so I right-clicked on layer and then said bring to front, so this way the frog's legs were also visible. And I thought adding a little fly would tie the sticker together nicely. So you can go to Elements and type in fly and you will also find the same element. I added an outline on these letters as well, just to make them look better with printing, and then group them together also. For this last one, I'm going to do something very simple. I'm just going to type in the word that I wanted to use. And then, since the color doesn't really match the color of the frog, I'm going to change it to... Oh yeah, I'm also bringing the frog in front to make it sit on the letters. And then go to Effects and change the outline of the color by using the color selector. And then I'm going to find the most darkest shade of green that's on the frog element and change the outline of the letter to that. And I'm going to group this together as well. Now, depending on how big you want these stickers to be when they are printed, you can just either copy them as is and copy and paste them to your page as many times as they fit. Try to make the most use of the space that you have, or you can make them smaller and fit more stickers on the same page. As you can see, I did on the second one. Alright, this is how to make stickers on Canva. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to try out all premium Canva Pro features, you can claim your 30-day Canva Pro free trial by clicking the link in the description below. We also have a free Canva crash course ebook and a Canva monetization checklist that you can download for free as well. Last but not least, check out our YouTube channels for hundreds of other Canva video tutorials.